Good morning. What do my mornings look like? Oh, here's an idea. Out walking the dog. The other dog. Listening to the birds chirp. Wondering why I'm up so early. Then remembering it's because I'm 40 and have kids. What's today bring? Today brings an underground dog fence. You can see the little flags if you look. You see them out there? Gotta paint that. Bury that. After that, it's Christmas light day. After Christmas lights, gotta clean up our basement. We've been experiencing a bit of construction / child devastation to the basement. Let's see. I think that's about it today. No, actually that's not. We've got a dinner at the mother-in-law's. So, just a happy little Saturday here in Kansas City. Enjoy it.